Noam, welcome to the national team of Rwanda.
Thank you.
So how do you feel for the first time, saying yes, I want to be with the boys, to work with Rwanda, and of course play my part in the national team of Rwanda?
I feel really happy about it, proud of it, to represent the country, my country, the country of my mom, and also with my father who played before. I feel really proud to be also part of it.
So your name has been talked for a very long time. Noam, where is Noam? Noam should be playing for the national team. And finally, it happened. Why do you think it took so long?
It took so long because I wanted to be really ready to come and bring something to the team, not just coming because my name is Noam and I wanted to feel ready, and now that I feel ready, that I played some matches in the professional level, I think that it was the right time to come.
Your father played for national team. Did he play a role to come about your decision to come to the national team?
Of course, because we obviously discuss all of us about this decision. It's not a decision that I made alone, with my family, like we always do, and he helped me to come here.
And how your teammates welcomed you in the group?
My teammates,
your colleagues, yes.
Yeah, good welcome from everyone. I couldn't ask for more, I feel like I'm at home, and that's really a good point.
Before coming in the national team, did you ask some players like Michael's in Europe, like Jihad?
No, I didn't ask anyone.
Only your father?
Yeah, only my father and my mom.
Okay. So how it was just the first day of the training. How did you find the training? What is your impression?
That finally we trained. It was a good training. The quality is there. The desire to develop and to get better is there. So I think that it will just getting better every day.
So have you been following, of course, the national team of Rwanda and their recent games?
Yeah, I've been watching the, obviously, I didn't watch the games, but the results, I watch the last FIFA series, and I see also how they did very well, how they win these tournaments easily. And I've been watching recently.
Okay. And were you enthusiastic about, AMAVUBI Stadium, seeing the 45,000 people packed? Did you think about playing in front of that crowd?
Yeah, of course. When I saw it last time, it was the first time. I was not expecting this, and now I'm really excited about playing there, because the support has always been crazy, but I didn't see it with my eyes. Last time I saw it, and I was really surprised about it.
Okay.
How are you committed? What do you feel will be your contribution in the national team?
My contribution, I will give 200% every time I will come. I'm here to help the team to achieve things, and I will get ready for it, obviously, and give my best every time I wear the shirt.
Okay.
What was your surprise on your day in the camp?
A surprise when I arrived. When I arrived, there was only 5 players, so no. But when it was all together, the thing that surprised me, I would say that everyone is together. Because I know that some players play abroad, some players play in Rwanda, and I didn't see any difference. We are one family, and that's what surprised me the most.
So, a few words about your club now, Groningen. Is it pronounced Groningen?
Groningen.
Groningen. So, how is your club doing now, and what is your future with your club?
My club did very well this season. I was on loan the second part of the season, so but they did very good. They nearly qualified for a European competition. But my future with the club, I don't know yet, because I was not really playing. But I will see when we come back what's going to happen in the next few months.
Okay. Allez, en français, dis quelque chose en français.
Votre impression
de
l'équipe nationale.
Mon impression, je suis très content d'être ici, heureux d'être finalement dans cette équipe nationale, de représenter mon pays, et très content de pouvoir bientôt disputer mon premier match, et j'espère pouvoir apporter de belles choses à cette équipe nationale.
Merci.
Le tatou là-bas, c'est la résilience, c'est toujours la devise de toi.
Oui, la résilience. Parce que j'ai connu beaucoup de difficultés, mais je me suis toujours relevé. Et grâce à Dieu, aujourd'hui, je suis encore ici. Et j'espère aller encore plus loin.
Okay.